welcome back to my channel, and thank you all for joining me as I share this week's CVS haul. I posted a deals video earlier on today, so make sure you check it out because there are some deals I have in that video that I don't have in this one. The first deal I'll be picking up will be the Johnson & Johnson Baby Care. It's part of the spend 15, you get $5 back, limit of 1 per card. I'll be picking up the head to toe wash and shampoo, 13.6 flow ounces, priced at $6.59. And I'll be adding the calming shampoo, 13.6 ounces as well, priced at $6.99. I will add the aloe and vitamin E oil gel, 6.5 ounces, priced at $6.79. All three items came up to $20.37, but I'm doing this way because I want to submit my receipt to activate reward. And I'll be using 3 of the $2 coupon that we got in the 521 savings set. I have a 4 off 20 Johnson & Johnson CRT. With the 3 coupons and the CRT, it will bring it down to $10.37. I will pay that and I'll get $5 back. Then I'll submit my receipt to activate reward for $5 back when you spend 20, making all 3 items just 37 cents. Let me go check out. I checked out and I'm back with my receipts. You can see everything worked out. The 4 off 20 applied as well. I used $10 extra care box, paid just 37 cents out of pocket, and I got back my $5. And later on, I'll be submitting my receipt to activate reward to get $5 back for spending 20. The next item I'll pick up is not giving back any extra care box, but it's on clearance for $5.87. That's 75% off clearance. And I'll be using this $5 coupon from 514 savings set. I'm able to use these 2 coupons because the original price is more than the required amount on the coupon. That will leave me to pay just 87 cents each, and I'll be grabbing 2. So check your store and see if you can score some. The next deal will be on the buy 2 get $4 back on Chic Hydro or Hydro Silk Razor. You can pick up the men or you can pick up the women. It's on sale for $9.99. I'll be picking up 2. And I'll be using this 2 $4 coupon I got from coupons.com. It's still available, and we also have one in our app. And I have a 6 off 20 CRT that is applying to this. When the coupons and the CRT apply, it will bring it down to $5.98, and I'll get $4 back, making both items $1.98 or 99 cents each. I'll be adding the CoverGirl deal to this transaction, and it's on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back, or you buy 3 you get $8 back, and this is a limit of $8 per card. This does not track, so make sure you're doing it in one transaction. I'll pick up the Perfect Blend pencil, priced at $4.99, and also the lip gloss, priced at $10.99. These 2 items will come up to $15.98, and I'll be using this $4 CRT from last week, a $2 coupon I got from coupons.com for the lip gloss, and also a $4 coupon from coupons.com for the eye pencil. And we received a $4 instant CRT as well today. When all the coupons and the CRT apply to both products, it will leave me to pay just $1.98, and I'll get $5 back, making both items free and a $3.02 money maker. I'm back with my receipt, and it worked out very well. All my coupons and CRTs came off as expected. You can make this deal, the CoverGirl deal, a bigger money maker. You can even turn it to $8 money maker if you want. But I just decided to pick up a more expensive item because it's still going to end up being a money maker for me. I used $5 extra care box, paid $2.96 out of pocket, and I got $4 back for buying 2 of the Hydro Silk Razor, and a $5 back for buying the 2 CoverGirl products. The next deal will be on Colgate toothpaste. It's on sale for 2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back, and this is a limit of 2. We have a $2 coupon that will apply to this. It will bring it down to $7. I'll pay that, and I'll get $5 back. Then I'll submit my receipt to coupons.com app for the second toothpaste, making both items free. I received a 10 off 60 next purchase CRT in my email that I will be using with this transaction as well. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be the spend 30 get $10 back, limit of 1. and I'll be picking up the Degree Dry Spray on sale for buy one get one half off, and it's priced at $7.79. I'll pick up one of the men and also pick up one of the women. And to get to 30, I'll be picking up some STEM products. I'll pick up the ant, spider, and roach killer, priced at $10.49, and also the fruit fly strap at $9.49 as well. All 4 items will come up to $31.67, and I'll be using this $7.50 off 2 coupon for the STEM product, and also a 4 off 2 coupon that we got from the 521 save insert. When both coupons apply, if I'm doing this by itself, it will bring it down to $20.17, and I'll get $10 back, making all these items just $10.17. But check your fetch, because I have 2 rebates in my fetch. There is one that will be giving 500 points for each item, and there is another one that will give back 2,000 points when you spend 10. That means I'll be getting back 3,000 points from fetch reward for buying 2 of the Degree Dry Spray. The next day will be on the Rebate aspirin. It's on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back, limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the chewables, priced at $3.99. It will bring it up to $5.99. There is no coupon for this, so I have to pay this and I'll get $5 back, making both items just 99 cents or 49 cents each. The next day will be on CoverGirl, and remember this is a limit of $8 per card, so I'm using a different card for this. It's still the same tier deal, but I'll be doing this a little different. I'll pick up the blush, priced at $6.99, and I have a $4 paper coupon for this as well. And I'll be picking up 2 of the Perfect Blend pencil, priced at $4.99. All 3 items will come up to $16.97, and I'll be using this $4 paper coupon from coupons.com for the eye, and I have one in my app, and the other coupon will be for the face, also from coupons.com. We all received a $4 instant CRT today. In this account, I used the other $4 instant CRT last week, so I only have one in this. But with the coupon and the CRT we received today, it will bring it down to just 97 cents, and I'll get $8 back, making all these items free and a $7.03 money maker. These are all the items I'll be using the 10 off of 60 email CRT for. Let me go check out, and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt, and these are all the items I picked up: the Colgate, the Spend 30, Bayer, and also the CoverGirl. And on the coupon section, everything applied as I showed you. The $7.50 came off, the instant CRT, and the 10 off 60. I ended up using $24 extra care box for this transaction, paid 11 cents out of pocket, and I got back my $5 for buying 2 of the Bayer products, $10 for the Spend 30 get $10 back, and I also got $8 back for buying 3 of the CoverGirl, and I got back $5 for buying 2 of the Colgate. This whole transaction ended up being free and a $3.89 money maker, and I'll also be submitting my receipt to Fetch to get back my 3,000 points. I will do the Spend 30 get $10 back on a different card because it's a limit of 1 per card, and I'll be picking up the Lay's potato chips. It's on sale for 2 for $6, and I'll be picking up 6. To get to 30, I picked up 2 of the L'Oreal Revitalift Daily Cream Cleanser, priced at $7.29. I wasn't able to film that, but these are the 2 items I picked up. I have a 3 off of 5 coupon I got from coupons.com for the Lay's potato chips, and we have a matching one in our app that will double dip and take off $6. And for the L'Oreal product, I have a $5 coupon I got from coupons.com as well. I have 2 of them, and it will also apply. The coupons are no longer available. They expired yesterday, so if your store accepts that, it will be a good time to use it. When both coupons apply, it will bring it down to $11.57. I'll pay that, then I'll get $10 back, making all these items just $1.57. Let me go check out, and I'll be back with my receipt to see how everything worked out. I'm back with my receipt, and you can see that I have just 5 Lay's potato chips instead of 6. I made a mistake by giving the cashier just 5. It did not affect my coupon because the coupon is off 5, not off 6. And now you can see my coupons. Everything came off as well. I have a 3 off 10 snack CRT that applied to this transaction. I used $11 extra care box, paid 57 cents out of pocket, and I still got back my $10 for the spend 30. This whole transaction ended up costing me just $1.57. And I would like to say thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next week. Bye-bye.